30 cases have been argued in front of the Supreme Court over the past few months, and now it's a waiting game to see not only what the court has ruled, but also when the court will issue its rulings. Our Tom Dempsey is live outside of the Supreme Court this morning with more on the timeline and the cases. Tom, good morning.
Hey, good morning, Kelly. Yeah, this week could bring a number of big decisions when it comes to key Supreme Court cases, including ones that could impact the future of President Joe Biden's student loan forgiveness plan and whether or not race should be a factor when it comes to college admissions. Right now, President Biden's student debt relief plan faces two separate legal challenges, and the decision from the Supreme Court coming down sometime in the next few weeks will impact more than 40 million Americans. The plan would offer up to $20,000 in debt relief if a borrower makes less than $125,000 a year. Now, back in February, though, during oral arguments for this, the justices seemed to cast some doubt on the president's team whether or not they had legal authority to cancel billions of dollars in student debt. Also, we still wait for decisions in two cases involving admissions at Harvard and the University of North Carolina that could impact other colleges around the country. The justices could decide to overturn a decision allowing race to be considered as a factor for college admissions after hearing both sides of the debate late last year.
When students of all races and backgrounds come to college and live together and learn together, they become better colleagues, better citizens, and better leaders.
This court should admit that it was wrong about Harvard, wrong about Grutter, and wrong about letting the poison of racial classifications seep back into education.
Now, aside from those cases, June may also bring a decision in the case of a website designer opposed to same-sex marriage for religious reasons who only wants to create websites for opposite-sex couples. We may also see rulings impacting things like adoptions of Native American children and taking time off for religious observances. We may see the first round of those decisions come down as soon as this upcoming Thursday. Guys?
Thank you for watching. Go to newsnationnow.com to find NewsNation on your television provider. And don't forget to click the red subscribe button below to get more of NewsNation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.